Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel with another upload once again. Obviously, we're back at it. You want to let them know what we're doing?
We're selling the coupe.
So what we're actually doing is Armando is going to end up selling his car. So he's just like, you can have my front end. So now I got two front ends, guys. I have my pop-up front end and I also have a Sylvia front end. I'm really stoked. And, you know, this guy does everything for me, so screw it, you know. I'm stoked, dude. Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
It was a really tough decision, but I kind of don't touch it anymore. So it's the only reasonable thing to do.
If you know how I feel, why would you say that? You put me in such an uncomfortable situation. You know I'm not happy. You know I'm trying to make it work out here.
This thing's gonna look so good on my car. I can't wait. Thanks, dude.
No comment.
All right, so I'm actually out of that deal. That was just a joke. So if you honestly think that I'm doing Sylvia front end, I'm actually not. My kit did come in today. I'm super stoked. I did mention that I got a kit in the last video. So look, I'll show you guys the front bumper. And as most of you guys know, that's already a Type X front bumper. But it's not like the one from Nissan Parts that Jimmy Oaks and everybody else runs. It's actually a version select front bumper, which is a rep, but if we crash this car, I'll feel a little bit better. I have Type X side skirts as well, and revalences. Goodies. Also got the goodies, you know. Also, what I have to do is, as you can see, this bumper is kind of messed up. So one of my buddies actually gave me a free bumper, so shout out to him. All right, so we just took out this vent, and we just hit a whole bunch of stuff over there. So I'm gonna have Armando go ahead and pull everything out. What? Another one?
Oh, you got a light bulb?
Oh, there we go. You got an idea or what?
Bro, we're coming up on these, bro. Look. That's two.
Damn, bro. This car really needs a vacuum.
I don't know what that is. But what if we find 20 bucks?
We'll be 20 bucks richer.
Want some more light bulbs?
And it literally just keeps going.
Another one?
Another email? I don't know how to do mine out. That's crazy.
That's pretty much it. Check it outside.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to day 2 of this vlog. So sorry, dude. What I actually kind of forgot to do is a film for you guys. But as you guys can see, there's my kit. And honestly, if you guys are trying to figure out why it's so clear, I did actually get a new camera as well. I'm so in love with this kit that, honestly, I'm stoked. Are you asking me if I tried the chicken just because I'm black? What's up with the chicken, Dan?
Shit's hella good. What's it called? Bonton. There's some bonton chicken. It's fucking
All right, hold on.
smack.
Let me get some B-roll of you eating the chicken. But no, seriously, guys, what do you guys think? Leave some comments. So personally, I want the car to be like a bro, shut up. So personally, I want the car to be a little bit lower. So we might end up buying some more coilovers. These coilovers are kind of blown, so I kind of do need new coilovers anyways. Let me know what I should get as well. Kind of stuck between the two of BC Extreme Lows or PBMs. Before I forget to tell you guys, this actually isn't a OEM style kit. This is actually a version select kit. It fits pretty decent. The side skirts were kind of crappy. All right, so there's one piece that's missing, which Dan's holding his hand right now. So before we mocked it up, Sean, he's no longer with us, but
He's still alive.
no, he's not. All right, guys, so before it gets too late, I just took the car down the street from Armando's house, and I'm gonna film some B-roll for you guys. It's so dark. Honestly, it's super nice right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and film something real quick for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy it.